Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd share a full day of eating with you. I'm about to start making breakfast and I thought, you know what, we've got a big fun day planned. I haven't taken you along on a day like this at home in a while. So we're gonna make breakfast and then we're going out for lunch and just to explore a bit of Ireland and yeah, let me show you what I'm making for breakfast. Okay, I've got half of a cabbage and I'm going to chop this up and fry it up and make a bit of a cabbage breakfast scramble. Okay, I've very roughly chopped up the cabbage and now I'm going to melt heaps of butter in the frying pan and cook this until it's softened. Butter has melted and in goes the cabbage and I'm just going to cook this until it's softened, add more butter if I need to. I'm going to add a couple of shakes of salt and I may even throw in a couple of pieces of garlic chopped up as well just for some extra flavour. Cabbage is starting to soften, add more butter and then some garlic chopped very roughly over there too. I'm just going to cook this until it's golden and then I will show you the next step. Cabbage is almost ready and now for the scramble part of our breakfast scramble. I've got 5 eggs. I'm going to throw in a few splashes of cream and just whisk it up to get a nice smooth egg batter. Eggs are whisked nice and smooth and now I'm going to add them into the cabbage. There you go, and I've moved you onto a tripod too so you can see what I'm doing. Just melting the last little bit of butter in. It's nice and buttery. Look how golden the beautiful cabbage is. And now we're going to add our egg in. Okay, I've got the whisked egg going on there. And now it's really just a matter of scrambling and scrambling until you've got a beautiful cabbage breakfast scramble. And just like that. You could of course make an omelette if you want instead, but this just exactly what I feel like this morning. Yeah, look, you can see it doesn't take long at all for the egg to scramble in there. And you can of course add a bit of cheese if you want a bit of a cheesy, cabbagey breakfast scramble. I know I usually prefer my things with cheese, my husband prefers his without, so I'm probably going to just do a sprinkling when I'm done. Yeah, look at that, scrambling away. Okay, it really doesn't take long. You just don't want to stick, just keep scrambling as you would scrambled eggs. And this is just a creamy, delicious breakfast. And I usually intermittent fast. I usually eat between the hours of 8 AM and 4 PM. It's actually almost 9. It's actually a lazy Sunday. So I've done a super long fast. So this big breakfast will be perfect. And then I will catch up with you through the day as I have something to eat. We're actually going into Dublin, well, just outside of Dublin, an area called Sandymount for burgers. And then we're going to a farmer's market, which I haven't been to before. And I want to just see what kind of goodies I can find there. So I will take you along for all the fun. This is my breakfast. It's going to cook another second longer. I'm going to pop it on a plate, have it with a bit of probably parmesan on top, maybe a bit of grated cheese too because I love cheese with everything. So that's my breakfast and I'll catch up with you on the way into Dublin. We're in a beautiful area called Sandymount. We are going to walk and go and have burgers at our favourite burger place called Bujo Burgers. Let me show you. And here's the burger. It's my favourite burger in Ireland. Just love it, Bujo. Look, my husband goes and gets a double as well. Yum! We're gonna all enjoy our burgers. How's your burger going? You started with the chips. Yum! What a yum Sunday lunch. That burger was incredible as always. And now we're gonna walk back to the car and we're gonna drive to the farmer's market. Afternoon didn't turn out quite as we had thought. We went to the farmer's market. We drove around a few times looking for parking. It just wasn't happening and we thought, you know what, let's go home and next time we'll aim to get to the farmer's market earlier. So we went past supermarket and we're home now and I've got a load of washing on. In the background, if you can hear, it's Sunday afternoon, just gonna get on and do all kind of home stuff for the rest of the afternoon. And that incredible burger filled me up and that's all that I've really eaten today, was that beautiful cabbage breakfast scramble and then the burger. And with intermittent fasting and when I'm home, I find that's what I do, and I feel good doing that and eating this way. So that's the end of the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment too. Let me know what you thought of the cabbage breakfast and if you'll be giving it a try. I look forward to reading your comments, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!